What is up, you guys? Back with another video today. So today I'm going to be installing my exhaust manifold for Lexus GS300. I have headers on right now, and yes, that's not environmentally friendly, so I'm putting factory-ish, I guess, or yeah, pretty much factory exhaust manifold back on because I can't stand the smell, and I think it is kind of hurting my performance because I don't, drive the car hard all the time, so I'm not getting the most benefits from having headers on. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these headers off and put on the factory exhaust manifold. So stay tuned. Okay, here we go. So those are the headers I have installed currently. I'll be taking these off right now. So the first thing I want to do is remove all these bolts here. So there's one there, one down there, right there. That takes care of these three pipes right here. And then on this side over here, there's an assortment bolts down there as well. So you can see those two. And then there's one out there on the outskirts, and then another one. Can't see it right there. Just trust me, there's another one right down there too. You can see it. So first I'm going to undo all those bolts, and then I'll come back. Alright, so I got all those bolts off right there. There's another one back there. Back behind that pipe there, there's another one. All those are off. So now I'm going to go underneath the car and then undo, where's my finger? The bolts down there on the bottom side. Before I do that, I'm going to stick one of these nuts back on here, just in case this pops off. It's not going to fall directly on me down there. Having a couple of those on there should be good. Alright, so now to work on those. Okay, now to undo the bolts on the bottom side. There's my wrench. I dropped it from the top and it fell down here. Okay, so we want to undo that bolt there, that one there, and I don't know if I can see that one on that side over there, but there's another one over there. So I'm going to undo those next. If you've never done any type of exhaust work on your car, those bolts may be completely rusted. You might need to go to a shop and have them cut it off and give you some new bolts. But yeah, so now I get started. Alright, now it's time to pull this out. First I got the L2 sensors down there. I'm going to leave them on the headers. I'm just going to disconnect the wire, and then I'm going to take the O2 sensors off of the header when it's out of the car. So you'll see that one right there. Follow this wire up to down here. So I'm going to disconnect that plug right there. And then that one that's further back down there, that plug is right here. So I'm going to disconnect those two, and then I'm going to yank it out. Of course, taking it off is easy. Alright, so I got the header out the car. That's it right there compared to the new one. And this new one is a Flowmaster exhaust manifold. Alright, got the old O2 sensor off. So transferred into this pipe here. So now it's time to put this one in. Let's see. Okay. It's like a puzzle. You gotta sneak it in there just right. Wires up in the middle. somewhere don't know where. See that portion is the transmission. I kind of twist it that way. It drop in, but can't twist it that way because this stuff is like bolt right there, that's it. I think piece of thing, that's where I'm going to get stuff. Alright, so that was hard. I know you guys saw me struggling with that, but people who gave this review that it slipped right in, that's a lie. It took some work, about as much work as it did to get that in there. But I was able to get it in. I was able to get that side on first, and then this side here, I had to like push it down so the studs lined up. And when I was able to finally get the studs lined up, I used a trusty old hammer, hammered it on until I got enough of the threads showing that I could screw a nut on and kind of tighten it down to push it further in. And I kind of did that on this side too. All right, got it back in there. So I'm gonna go start it up, check for any leaks. If I have any leaks, I'm gonna have to tighten some stuff up or loosen tighten. Right off the bat, it sounds a lot quieter. Could just be the pipes burning off the oil that's on them. Yeah, it smells like metal.